Ready to make your open houses shine? Here's TidyTex's essential checklist to impress buyers and close deals faster. First, give those windows a thorough clean. Bright, sparkling glass enhances natural light and elevates the home's appeal. Next, declutter each room. A tidy space allows buyers to envision their future here. Dust every nook and cranny, focusing on baseboards and light fixtures to ensure everything gleams. Next, let's talk about scents. A fresh, inviting aroma can seal the deal. Consider baking cookies or brewing coffee to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Don't forget the power of lighting. A well-lit home feels more spacious and inviting, so open all blinds and turn on lights before showings. Quick tip for realtors. If you want a quick upgrade, add some fresh flowers or greenery to liven up the space and create an emotional connection. Lastly, maintain an organized outdoor space. Curb appeal matters. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to help you prepare with professional, reliable cleaning services. Visit our website or call us today to make your open house unforgettable.